Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today you are coming along with me for my exam season. So this year my exams were all in 2 weeks. All of them were quite separate from each other, which was very nice considering the autumn semester is quite short. So first you'll see me here revising for my first exam, which was statistics. It was snowing quite a bit this week, so it was a little bit of a struggle to get to uni. Then after statistics, I needed to revise for AI because that was my next exam. Lastly, I was revising for my technology management class, which is a mix of management and economics. Finally, I also had my final exam this semester, which was in tech management, and after that, I was finally finished. After my exam, I got back to my flat, and I needed to pack up my room. So obviously I don't really need to bring too much home. All the stuff that I felt like I didn't need at my flat, I would bring home. So my suitcase is quite full, but mostly I just brought clothes that I don't really wear at uni, but I will wear during the summer. The next morning after my last exam, all I had to do was check over my room and eat breakfast and head for the train. I took the train home. It was a lovely trip, and I had my book with me and an audiobook as well. I also prepped my Sims game so I could play it offline. And I just enjoyed the view and played The Sims. I also brought some nice lunch with me and water, of course. And yeah, you can just enjoy this beautiful montage of the views from the train. And now I'm pretty much at the end of my trip. I treated myself to some hot chocolate while I was waiting to get home. And that was it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.